Ever since I had no lung joy, I smoked a pack a day. From Marlboro down to Winston, I thought it was okay, 'cause all the athletes smoked them, then went to play some ball. That ref, ump, and line judge all smoked the green menthol. I'm living with the patch now, becomes part of my lifestyle. Before I went cold turkey, I tried smack for a while. They pay for my condition, the makers of Pall Mall, but that ref, ump, and line judge still smoke the green menthol. It's a Menthol Blizzard, there's got to be a sis. A Menthol Blizzard looks just like someone pissed. How am I supposed to breathe now? I don't know. What makes them so good? Ain't buying no more cigarettes, won't pay the excise tax. At $40 a carton to clog my lungs with plaques. Gonna sue the tobacco bigwigs, we'll watch them slowly fall. But that ref, ump, and line judge still smoke the green menthol. I thought I had the only yellow smile, then tried bleach strips, for that I'd walk a mile. Here's the happy ending, I don't smoke at all. My disciples I'm defending, with their backs against the wall. I'm now an overeater who's purging at the stall, but that ref, ump, and line judge still smoke the green menthol.